Welcome. So here is that last SAT question that we ran out of time. I'd like to show you how to solve this. Now I'm going to show you my method. I like to spread this out because I need to cancel out these denominators. I don't want to deal with them. So I'm going to rewrite this very, very spread out. Let me show you. So 24 over x plus 1 minus 12 over x minus 1 equals 1. And I have a purpose for that. So I'm going to come in with some different colors so you can see what's happening here. The other thing, okay, so first I want to cancel out this x plus 1. So the way that I would cancel that is by putting an x plus 1 in the numerator. But if I'm doing that here, in order to keep the equation balanced, I have to put that everywhere. So I'm going to put an x plus 1 here and an x plus 1 here. And now this cancels just like we wanted it to. Okay, so I fixed this fraction. It's no longer a fraction. I'm pretty happy about that. But I still have this one over here, and I can't have that. So I need to get rid of this x minus 1. Same thing. I'm going to put an x minus 1 here, and to balance it, an x minus 1 here, and an x minus 1 here. Now, here the x minus 1 cancels, and everywhere else it stays the same. So I'm going to rewrite everything that's left. In the first term, I have 24 x plus 1. Oh my gosh, I lied. In the first term, I have 24 x minus 1 left, right? Minus 12 x plus 1 equals 1 x plus 1 x minus 1. And I've got to FOIL, I've got to simplify, I've got to do it all. But I now have a very manageable equation, which is what I wanted. So 24 x minus 24, once I distribute, minus 12x minus 12 equals, here I'm going to FOIL, x squared minus x plus x minus, or plus 1. Yeah, no, minus 1, sorry. Okay, I'm going to move everything over to this side. I'm going to cancel out the minus x and the plus x. They're gone. 24x minus 12x. Let's do some simplifying. So 24x minus 12x is 12x. Negative 24, negative 12 is minus 36 equals x squared minus 1. Like I said, let's move it all over to this side. So subtract 12x over, add 36 over. Gone. 0 equals x squared minus 12x. Negative 1 plus 36 is plus 35. All right, we are good. We can factor this now and get our two answers, x minus 5 and x minus 7, because negative 5 times negative 7 is positive 35, and negative 5 plus negative 7 is negative 12. Split it and solve. Positive 5 and positive 7. So your answers were 5 or 7. You only had to find one of them. And that's why you could have guessed and checked from the beginning. Let me show you how both of these would work in that original equation, just so you can see. So let's plug in 5 first. 24 over 5 plus 1 minus 12 over 5 minus 1 equals 1. Well, 5 plus 1 is 6. 24 over 6 minus 12 over 4. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. It works. Oh, let's plug in the other one, which is 7. 24 over 7 plus 1 minus 12 over 7 minus 1 equals 1. Well, are you sure? Let's check. 24 over 8 minus 12 over 6. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. They both work. So you could have guessed and checked from the beginning. and you wouldn't have had to guess and check that far to find answers. Like I say, if all else fails, guess and check. You might find an answer that works, because 5, if you had gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's not that far away. So if you have extra time, do it. You can always figure something out.